Mark and Jill bought a timeshare in 1987 for £6,000 from a company called Global Marketing. Global were bought by Diamond Resorts, one of the world's largest timeshare companies and difficult for members to escape from. Once, resorts preferred to release unhappy members rather than force them to stay. Now, they want their maintenance fees, whether the member is happy or not. In 2018, Jill was diagnosed with cancer, undergoing medical procedures that made basic movements difficult and travel abroad impossible. Diamond don't easily free people from their memberships. The couple needed professional help from European Consumer Claims, ECC. ECC hoped that with Jill's illness, Diamond might show compassion. Diamond demanded a succession of documents proving Jill's cancer, then that she couldn't travel, then a physical copy of a letter instead of a scan. Jill had to make multiple doctor trips while recovering from major surgery and undergoing chemotherapy. Doctor's letters are expensive, costing around £15 each. Delays caused by Diamond meant another maintenance fee arrived, despite Jill being physically unable to travel. Andrew Cooper, CEO of ECC, took pity and paid Jill's maintenance, believing what Diamond were doing was unfair. After months of pressure, Diamond finally freed the couple. Unfortunately, many timeshare legal firms will take your money and disappear. Seek advice from other owners who had good experiences with trustworthy firms. Independent consumer associations will advise you on their whitelist companies, and a website, www.timesharetrust.co.uk, explains how to do due diligence. Or get in touch with ECC for a free, confidential chat.